Let's make the ultimate party dip, baked black bean dip. The ingredients going into the blender: 1 cup black bean, half cup Greek yogurt, 2 garlic cloves, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, juice of lemon juice. Pour it into a cast iron skillet, top with melty Mexican cheese blend, and bake it at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. While dip bakes, chopping vegetables, chop half an onion, slice up radishes, tomatoes, jalapenos, and creamy avocado slice. Out of the oven and fully loaded, top with your favorite veggies. Just we cut everything: fire roasted corn, cilantro, feta cheese, dash of olive oil. Oh yes, it's ready. Serve it warm with blue corn tortilla chips. Every single ingredient straight from Whole Foods Market. Healthy, spicy, gorgeous, soulful in every bite. If this made you hungry, give it a like. Follow Soulful Kitchen for more cozy healing recipes every week. Thank you. See you next time.